Good morning, everyone. You can see the election process are going on. Student parliament elections are going on. Here, we will choose today the head boy, head girl, and different house captains. You can see here the different house peoples are there, and the blue house, red house, and the green house and yellow house students are ready to cast their vote. And let's talk to the different students. Here we are having different house, and here some blue house students are there. How will you give the vote, and what is the importance of vote? Why we have to what is the right to vote?
Sir, voting is very important in a fair election because it gives the chance to every representative to have a fair elections.
Okay, we are having red house students here. One girl from the red house. Who will be your next house captain, and why you choose that particular?
I will be voting for Ajit Raj Singh Parihar because I know him, I know his qualities and his personalities well, and he is good in his work. Also, previously he was our prefect and did a good job and satisfied our demands.
Okay, so you can see the students are ready to cast their vote and decided. That means if they selected for that particular position, so what they will do. The election process is already started. Here, the candidate of head boy, Abhiraj Dwivedi, is ready to cast his vote. और यही हमारे भारत की जो डेमोक्रेसी है, इसका एक सबसे अच्छा पार्ट है, जिसमें हम अपने लीडर को खुद चुनते हैं। और डेमोक्रेसी जो होता है उसमें अगर हम बात करें तो हमारे जो लीडर्स होते हैं हमारी जनता के द्वारा चुने जाते हैं। तो यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं ज़्यादातर बच्चे तैयार हैं अपनी वोट करने के लिए। यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि ग्रीन हाउस, येलो हाउस, रेड हाउस एंड blue house candidates are ready to choose the different house masters like Krishna house, Narmada house, Kaveri house and Godavari house, and head boy and head girl. So today with us two candidates, from one is for the head boy and one contestant for the house captain of red house. तो आज मैं कुछ आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, उनके आपको जवाब देना है। तो सबसे पहले आपने क्यों सोचा कि आप एक हेड बॉय के रूप में कंटेस्टेंट हैं, तो बच्चे आपको वोट क्यों दें? क्या इसके पीछे कारण?
सर, इसका कारण ये है कि मेरी लीडरशिप स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी है। मैं पहले से ही 2-3 बार लास्ट ईयर भी मैं हेड बॉय बना था, उससे पहले मैं हाउस वाइस कैप्टन बना। तो मैंने बहुत अच्छे से स्टूडेंट्स को मैनेज करा है। अपने हाउस को भी जब मैं वाइस कैप्टन बना था तो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर लेके आया था। तो इस बार भी मेरे को लगता है मैं स्कूल को एक आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस की तरफ ले जाऊंगा।
Okay. How will you manage academics as well as leadership?
Sir, I have done that before. I have led this house for many competitions and I have performed well also. So it's kind of easy for me to manage these things.
Okay. Why students will cast vote for you? What is the reason?
Sir, the reason for it is that they have seen my leadership in last year also. And another reason is that many students believe that I'll be the good leader. I have performed very well. So that is the reason.
How will you manage the criticism? Suppose if
Sir, Kabir ji said that निंदक नहीं है राखी है. We should learn from the criticism that we hear. So जो भी criticism आएंगे मैं उनको सुनूंगा, उनसे सीखूंगा और फिर better improve करूंगा.
Okay. Thank you for talking us and all the best. One by one, students are coming to cast their vote. Here, the head boy booth is there. You can see one child is giving the vote for the head boy. So I will talk to him that come here. How did you choose your leader? How did you choose your leader? What quality you should look at him?
Sir, I think that the leader should be not discriminated to his or her house. He should think about how the people are loyal to them, and he should give chance to those who are good in something like in sports or that writing work or in education. We say like he's on top.
सभी हाउसेस के बच्चे अपने अपने हाउस कैप्टन को चुनने के लिए वोट कर रहे हैं और बहुत ही जोश और उमंग के साथ यहाँ पे वोट की जा रही है। तो देखना दिलचस्प होगा कि कौन अगला ब्लू हाउस, रेड हाउस, येलो हाउस और ग्रीन हाउस कैप्टन होगा और कौन हमारी स्कूल का नया हेड बॉय और नया हेड गर्ल होने वाला है। क्लास 11th के बच्चे आप देख रहे हैं अभी वोट देकर वोटिंग हॉल से बाहर निकल रहे हैं और इनके चेहरे पर आप मुस्कान देख सकते हैं। ये अपने अगले लीडर को चुनकर आ रहे हैं और डेफिनेटली जो इन्होंने देखा होगा इनके लीडर्स में कि क्या लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज होना चाहिए। तो देखते हैं आपको क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा।
I think both can win. We don't know about.
Yes.
Both have a good competition and abilities.
That's a good compliment.
I hope I win.
Okay, she is a candidate itself for the head girl. Okay, how will you decide that कि you will be the become a leader? कैसे आपने सोचा कि आप एक अच्छी leadership quality आपके अंदर है?
A leader always listens to his जनता and always work in their favor, not in the upper hand of them.
How will you face the criticism and how will you manage your academics with the leadership?
I will try to manage it, and it is important for my studies are also important, but the school is also important for me.
Okay. What do you think that who will be the next head boy or head girl?
I think head boy will be Ayush and head girl my best friend Divyachi.
Okay, you cast for her. Okay, according to you, that you are from Greenhouse. Who will be your next captain?
I think it's Rajveer.
Okay, Rajveer.
Achyut.
Achyut. So you can see that the students are giving their votes for their favorite candidates, or we can say who has the good leadership quality. Thank you. Today with us Kirti ma'am, class teacher of class 11, and from 2-3 candidates from head boy and for the head girl. So first question for ma'am, how excited are students today?
Really, sir, from 3 days I am observing students have great enthusiasm for this election. They are very excited. All are doing their best to get the vote. They are asking the votes from different classes, and they are very energetic. And really, it seems like that in reality the voting is going on.
Okay, one more question. What changes have you seen in the candidates? What changes have you seen?
After the nomination, what I feel that really students become more motivated, more confident, and they have the sense of responsibility in them. Let's see who will win.
Okay, thank you ma'am for talking us. Today with us some 6th class students. They are casting their votes first time. So I will ask the question: what is the importance of vote? What is voting?
Sir, we have to cast vote because
Yes. Yes.
sir, because the captains help in our problems, and he and she was help our problems.
Casting their vote, please guide them properly.
Okay. Who should be the head boy?
Ashutosh sir,
Ma'am,
what voice?
sir, that Aviraj
Abhiraj bhaiya. You are giving for
Vedansh Pandey.
no for the head boy.
I'm announcing and just go.
Ma'am, coordinator of DPS Macronia. Ma'am, what is the purpose for conducting this such type of process?
Yes, as we all know.
Yes.
Yes, as we all know that we are also having the democratic system. We follow in that. Same ways, we want to teach our students this system how to follow, and we always give the right to them.
Head boy,
We also give the right to them so that they have a right choice to choose their leader, to whom they can trust and they can believe that they will surely stand for them.
What did the student learn from this activity?
They learn how to choose their right leaders, and their right should be in the right proper hands. And in this way, we just elaborate this chapter of SST also. We teach them how a democratic system works.
Thank you, ma'am, for talking us for the candidates.
Hello everyone. The main thing, the platform which we have given to the students from Delhi Public School Macronia, we are just not conducting elections to elect the council members. We are telling them how to be responsible citizen, to learn the leadership qualities, and we are nurturing our students with all those qualities, sir. And I want to say all the best to all the candidates, and they are representative of Delhi Public School, Macron.
The vote for the students. So according to you, who will be the next head boy or who will be the next head girl? According to you.
Name I will not disclose, sir, because see, this is democratic country. Until the election procedure, we will not disclose.
What
Tentative qualities, I'm telling you, when we are searching for the head boy or head girl, leadership, communication skills, handle to different situation, how to deal with the teachers as well as students.
Thank you for talking. Viraj Dwivedi from the Greenhouse and the candidate of head boy. What message you want to give for the younger students, those who are in 6th class, 7th class? What is the importance for choosing the leader? That according to you, what message give?
So, from my message to the younger students will be that choosing the right leader is the most important thing, because if you choose someone who is not capable of the job, he may make you suffer in some way or another. Everyone has their qualities and everyone has their plus and negative points. You just have to choose the one that is in the most favor of you. So the students of the junior classes should think about their rights and who is going to give them to that. And the one who has promised the things, but the students also know that that can't happen, they shouldn't go for that. They should be reasonable with their vote.
What challenges you faced during the campaigning?
The challenges I faced during campaigning was that the students of the junior classes, they don't take this seriously. That's the issue for me, because they are not able to understand the capable of it.
Convince them to vote for you.
That's what I did this year also. I convinced them of the things that I'm going to do and what is the changes that will happen with me and the other candidates. I showed them what will happen, and that was my main goal.
Okay, all the best for the results. Thank you. How important is students' leadership in school development?
Yeah, it's very important, just because of if students is learning about the leadership, they change their personality, they transform their personality, they understand their responsibility, that what types of activities they are performing in school and what types of rules and regulations they are follow. And they also guide some other student also, that how they behave like in a manner, and how to control a different types of situation. So I think with the help of leadership quality, the student learn more about the future and they develop their skill also.
Okay. Thank you for talking.
Thank you, sir.
Now, breaking news. Almost all the things are ready. Now, result is announcing the soon. As you've seen that principal sir is announcing the result for the captain of
From class 9th received 8 votes. Vedansh received 15 votes and Pushpendra received 25 votes.
You've seen that the Blue House captain is Vedansh.
Pushpendra and Vedansh from the Narmada Blue House. Please.
Pushpend and Vedansh. As you've seen that the captain and vice captain of the Blue House. So now you
Pushpendra will be the captain. Vedansh as the vice captain. With the 10 votes margin, Pushpendra led to captain. Kaveri Greenhouse. Aradhya Jain received only 19 votes. Ishan received 16 votes. Rajveer Dubey received 9 votes. Babul Jain received 7 votes. Sanskar Matolia received 4 votes. So Aradhya Jain is the captain.
now the Aradhya Jain of the Blue Greenhouse, Captain Aradhya Jain, and the vice captain of that greenhouse is Ishan Prajapati.
Kaveri Greenhouse, Aradhya Jain captain and Ishan vice captain. Now Krishna House, Red House. Nihal Gagre, okay, relatives of Congress President, received 5 votes. Suryansh Dubey, 12 votes. Achyut Raj, a latecomer, has taken the trophy with 30 votes.
Captain of Red House is Achyut Raj, and the vice captain
the highest votes among all the captains and leaders, that is Achyut Raj received. So he has to meet the Chief Election Commission how in our central ministry they are doing. Now Godavari House. Godavari House. Aradhya Tiwari received 27 votes. Slok Kushwa received 14 votes. Om Rajput 8 votes. So Aradhya Tiwari
from the Yellow House. See the new captain of Yellow House. You can see the energy of the candidates, energy of the student. Slok, vice captain.
Okay, fine. Okay, then he is a good leader. He has taken responsibility. So that's all. Head boy, head girl. The result will be declared on Monday. You want today? Then you decide yourself. Please guess.
Who will be the new head boy according to you? Head boy. You can see they are cheering for their favorite candidate.
अलग चला है, इसलिए अभिराज द्विवेदी ने 104 में हेड बॉय का स्थान प्राप्त हुआ है.
देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 104 के साथ अविराज द्विवेदी यहाँ पे नए हेड बॉय 104 वोट के साथ अविराज द्विवेदी ने इतिहास रच दिया है और बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से हेड बॉय की पोस्ट के लिए वहाँ पे अपने आप को नॉमिनेट किया है.
I think one of the teacher need to be nearby. Nancy Shikhar BP is getting increased. So Divyanshi Gupta received 78 votes and Nancy Vishwakarma from class 11th received 49 votes. So here Divyanshi Gupta.
तो नई हेड गर्ल है दिव्यांशी फ्रॉम द ग्रीन हाउस.
So congratulations to both the
Congratulations to all the winners. You can see here one by one head girl, head boy, and you can see one by one they are thanks to their voters. You can see here, and they are really very excited. And thank you for connecting us. And we will meet in the next episode. देखते रहिए DPS Makhronia. Thank you so much.